2025 Hyundai i20 is a compact hatchback that offers a blend of style, efficiency, and practicality, making a strong contender in the small car segment, performance, and handling. On the hood, the i20 is equipped with a 1.0-liter, three-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 100 horsepower. This engine delivers sufficient power for road city commuting and highway driving. The vehicle is lightweight, approximately 1.1 tons, ensures that the engine's output is adequate, allowing for a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time in just over 10 seconds. The i20 offers a compliant ride, handling that is both responsive and engaging, providing drivers with a pleasant driving experience. Interior and comfort. Inside, the i20 boasts a spacious cabin with ample headroom for both front and rear passengers, a notable feature in the compact car category. The driver's seat and steering wheel offer a good range of adjustment, ensuring a comfortable driving position. The boot capacity stands at 352 liters, providing adequate space for luggage and daily essentials. Features and equipment. The i20 comes equipped with a range of features aimed at enhancing convenience and safety. The standard equipment includes a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a suite of safety technologies, and comfort-oriented menus. Higher trim levels offer additional features, such as advanced driver assistance systems and premium audio options. Fuel efficiency. The i20's 1.0-liter engine is designed with efficiency in mind, achieving a combined fuel consumption rate of approximately 6.9 liters per 100 kilometers. This efficiency makes it an economical choice for both urban and longer distance driving. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai i20 stands out as a well-rounded compact hatchback, offering a harmonious balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Its spacious interior, efficient engine, and comprehensive feature set make it a compelling option for those seeking a reliable and versatile vehicle in the small car segment.